For almost 7 years, I keep telling myself, I know English. But the truth is, I was just lying to myself. Before joining this class, I thought I was learning English, but actually, I was only reading it, not understanding it. Sometimes I knew the meaning of a few words, sometimes I didn't. If I read a paragraph, I had no idea what it was really saying. In school, I studied in Tamil medium. If a question came in Tamil, even if I didn't know the answer, I could somehow make up a story and write something. But when same question came in English, I couldn't even understand what they were asking. During my exams, I used to just read the question paper, write something randomly, and leave the rest of blank. Not because I was lazy, but because I didn't understand English properly. In 2018 to 2021, during my college days, I used to study chemistry in English. I read a lot, but nothing stayed in my mind. In the exam, I still wrote my answers in Tamil and English. Why? Because I couldn't understand the English question. I didn't even know how to create the story for that question. After that, I took a 2 year break. Then I joined an English conversion class. It wasn't advanced, just basic, but that small class changed in everything in my life. After completing it, I took my college question paper again, and for the first time, I understood every question. That's when I realized I had wasted 7 long years believing I knew English when I actually didn't. Please don't repeat my mistake. Watching YouTube video won't help. You will get some knowledge but not real progress because focus is impossible when you are addicted to social media. Turn it off, go offline. That's worked for me. Before joining that class, I had already watched 1,000 YouTube videos about English, but honestly, nothing changed. Only after joining that class, practicing daily, I started improving step by step. Now, after 2 years, English has helped me in every courses I take, in every opportunity I get. If not for that, I wouldn't have achieved anything till today. Even when courses are taught in Tamil, the notes, reference, and materials are still in English. Without English basics, it's hard to understand or even ask doubts confidently. Now, I can't say I speak perfect English, but I can text, reply, chat, and understand better than ever before. Even for basic communication, you need basic English. Without it, life becomes limited. So please, whatever you do, wherever you go, learn English seriously. Don't lie to yourself like I did for 7 years.